Welcome back to another video. Today we got a pro ad, weekly ad from Lopes. So Lopes Pro Services, March 28th to April 3rd. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started. We got some tools here, some ladders. We got a, let's see here if I click on it. 6 feet aluminum step ladder, $49.96. 8 feet fiberglass step ladder, 250-pound capacity, $79. Not a bad deal. Oh my god, it took me out. Took me to another link. Up to $40 off on select tools. 20-volt max, XR, bare tools. So you can go to lobes.com and get these, look at those. Let's see if I can get those. Yeah, I guess 169, 129. Yeah, apparently they're putting sales on those. They are brushless, by the way, so this is the newer tool. Usually these are more expensive. But yeah, these are the bare two only. I would, if I were you guys, I would just get a combo. Combos are much better. Get a lot more for your money. That's my personal way of shopping. Bosch 1 in SDS Plus Bulldog Extreme 8-amp keyless rotary hammer, $179. You got the Bostitch Smart Point 16 gauge 2.5 inch finishing pneumatic nailer for $139. Bostitch 20 or 16 gauge 2-in-1 flooring pneumatic nailer, $199. You got the Bosch 9-piece impact tough titanium twist drill bit set. Let me tell you guys something. Bosch has some great bits. I do own some Bosch bits. That's probably the only bits that I buy, because I did buy at the time when I bought some. I bought some, what was it? DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Bosch. And I gotta say, out of the three, I like the Bosch better. Milwaukee's okay, and DeWalt's like third. But Bosch has some great tips, let me tell you. $14.98. Well, at least that's my opinion. Got the Lenox 9-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver, $10.98. Hopefully that's ratcheting, because is that ratcheting? It doesn't say. See more info. Wow, my internet's slow. Guess it's not. Nope. Doesn't look like it. Alright, so I guess you're paying $10 for just a bit screw just because of the brand, I guess. I don't know how to say that. Fog. 15-inch steel super bar, $13.98. Lenox 12-inch high tension hacksaw, $24.98. We got a 12-inch contractor's measuring wheel, $59.98. We got a level, Johnson level, 48 magnetic box beam, $49.98. These are some Bosch 500 feet 360 line laser measure, $469. Got some finishes there for the floors. Some light bulbs. Oh, that's a nice shop light right there. Got some more equipment, more flooring or decking. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews. We do have more coming up.